In this video, we will show you how to set up a one-time mandate on Invest app. On your home screen, click on the three lines on the left top side of the screen. Here click on Create Mandate option. You will be shown the benefits of having a mandate set up. On the next screen, you have to fill in all required details to set the mandate up. For mode of activation, you can choose either net banking or debit card or UPI Autopay. For UPI, max limit is 15,000. However, for other two methods it is 1 crore. Validity of mandate set using UPI is 30 years and for other two modes is 40 years. For UPI, you are redirected to this page to enter your UPI ID. However, for other two methods you are directly redirected to the respective bank payment page. This way you have set up your mandate. To check your mandates, you can go to your profile. There click on option to manage folios. You will be shown a list of folios that are linked with your account. On clicking on any folio, you will be shown the details of the folio. On bottom of the screen, go to Bank Details. Here you will be shown all the mandates in that folio.